Ingoreza Ma TV amu enang ena.
What he said yesterday is curious, and I want to repeat it. It's curious. I think Ruto is trying to set stage to dispute the outcome of presidential election. Ruto told us not long ago that his votes cannot be stolen. He told us not long ago that even if Raila makes his brother Uhuru the chair of IBC, that he would still go ahead and win. Raila has not done that. Instead, Uhuru is going for Senator Siaya, not chairman of IBC. But he's now crying and insisting that election is going to be stolen. And he's saying it in the US. Now, the question I want to ask is, what is Ruto telling us? Is he telling us that he has been participating in rigged elections previously? Is he admitting that? But even if he's not admitting that, why does he think that this time election will be stolen? Is it because President Uhuru Kenyatta has shown Kenyans that he's supporting Raila Odinga? It is his democratic right. Uhuru is a Kenyan, he's a voter. He's still going to live in this country.
Ingoreza Ma TV amu enang ena.